Welcome to Gnana Sanchana classes. In last classes, I have solved some 2 mark questions. Okay, very important 2 mark questions. So in this class, I am going to solve 3 mark questions. Okay, look at the first question. Again, the topic will be same, differentiation only. Look at the first question. Question number 1. Find dy by dx if xy is equal to e to the power of x minus y. This is what the given function. I have taken this question from old paper only. Xy is equal to e to the power of x minus y. This is a 3 mark question. Okay, very simple. Look at the given function. Let us take that given function. Let xy is equal to e to the power of x minus y. Say this as a equation number 1. Why? Because so in next steps we may use this e to the power of x minus y value as a xy. Okay, we can replace e to the power of x minus y by x into y. So that is why I say this as an equation number 1. Now differentiating, first we want to find out the derivative of the function with respect to x. For that, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So derivative of, okay, look at the given function on left hand side, x into y. Here y is not a constant, both x and y are functions in x only. So that is why apply product rule. Let us take x as the first function and y as a second function. The first function as this, take the derivative of second function. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. dy by dx. And keep the second function as this and take the derivative of first function. So what is the first function here? Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. That is y into 1. That is equal to. And you know the derivative of e to the power of x. E to the power of x. Derivative d by dx of e to the power of x is what? E to the power of x only. Okay, that is the standard function. And look at the given function here. E to the power of x minus y is there. In place of x, here it is x minus y. So therefore, apply chain rule. So for the timing, you treat this power as simply x only. So derivative of e to the power of x is what? E to the power of x. X is nothing but what? X minus y. And take the derivative of power. So derivative of x, which is 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Minus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. dy by dx. Now x into dy by dx plus y into 1 is y. That is equal to. So let us replace this e to the power of x minus y by what? xy. I can replace this e to the power of x minus y by what? xy. So let us substitute that value here. xy into 1 minus dy by dx. dy by dx. Okay. Using equation number 1 here. Okay. And e to the power of x minus y idalli x into y anta baradidi. Okay. By using equation number 1, I can replace e to the power of x minus y by what? X into y. Now do the simplification. X into, write this left hand side expression as this, x into dy by dx. dy by dx plus y is equal to xy into 1 is xy. Plus into minus xy into dy by dx. Do the term by term. So what is the last step? First function x into dy by dx. X into dy by dx plus y into 1 is y. That is equal to xy into 1 is xy minus xy into dy by dx. This is what the last step. So now take this term to the left hand side and also move this plus y to the right hand side. X into dy by dx as it is, the first term, and take that minus xy into dy by dx to the left hand side is plus xy into dy by dx is equal to xy as it is, and taking plus y to the right hand side become minus y. Now here I can take dy by dx as a common. dy by dx into bracket open x plus xy is equal to. So here I can take y common. Y into bracket open x minus 1. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into x minus 1 divided by x plus x1, and that is equal to, so write the numerator term as this, y into x minus 1, y into x minus 1 divided by, so taking x common here, become x into 1 plus y, x into 1 plus y, which is the required answer. This is what the derivative of the given function. So look at the next question, question number 2. If x is equal to 2 into at square and y is equal to a into t to the power of 4, then find dy by dx. So these are parametric equations. Parametric equations in the compulsory, ನಿಮಗೊಂದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ 100%. ಈ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಕು. ವೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. There is a 3 mark question from either from mean value theorem or from Rolle's theorem. Compulsory ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ 100% ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 7 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. You practice all parametric questions. Definitely you are going to get one question in your annual examination. So look at the given question here. X is equal to 2 into at square, y is equal to a into t to the power of 4. Then find the derivative, that is dy by dx. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ x and y, ಓಕೆ, x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಬಿಟ್ಟು x and y they are also variables, they are not constants. Apart from x and y there is one more variable like t ಇರಬಹುದು, ಥೀಟಾ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ t ಮತ್ತೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? t is the parameter. So we have to differentiate these two equations with respect to t, not with respect to y, with respect to x. Sorry, ಈ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು differentiate first equation with respect to t and even second equation also with respect to t only. ಈ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವು with respect to t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to differentiate these two equations with respect to t, with respect to the third parameter, with respect to that particular parameter. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. t is a parameter. So let us take the first equation. Let x is equal to 2 into at square, 2at square. Now differentiating both sides with respect to t. Why important? With respect to x and the very 3. That is wrong. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ, differentiating with respect to t. So t is a parameter. ನಿಮಗೆ 2a theta square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ with respect to theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. It is very important. Okay, now differentiating both the sides, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Differentiating both the sides with respect to what? t. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1, but derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt, dx by dt, dx by dt. Very important. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So derivative of t with respect to t is 1, but derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. That is equal to, here a and b they are constants. A only there is no b here. A is a constant. 2 and a they are constants. 2a is a constant. So write this 2a as it is and take the derivative of t square. So derivative of t square with respect to t antandre 2t. Derivative d by dt of t square which is 2t. Derivative of t square with respect to t is 2t. Okay. So t square is not a composite function here. Like derivative of x square with respect to x is what? 2x. Like derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y. Derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. Like this, derivative of t square with respect to t is 2t. It is enough. Now dx by dt, that is equal to 2 into 2, which is 4at. So this is equation number 1. And now take the second equation. Now what is that equation? Y is equal to a into t to the power of 4. Now again differentiating both sides with respect to t. So derivative of y with respect to t is dy by dt. That is equal to a which is constant, write this as this, and take the derivative of t to the power of 4. So which is how much? 4 into t to the power of 3. 4 into t to the power of 3. You can write it directly. Because derivative of x to the power of n is what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. I have to reduce the power by 1. Okay, t raised to 4 is 4 into t to the power of 3. T to the power of 10 is 10 into t to the power of 9. I have to reduce the power by what? 1. So that is equal to a into 4. 4a t cube. Say this is equation number 2. Okay. So we calculated dx by dt from the first equation and dy by dt from the second equation. Therefore, dy by dx. Now dy by dx value calculate. dy by dx and we very well. Can we write like this? dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Yes. Again dt get cancelled. This dy by dx only. Very well. When we write like this, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Why? Because I know the values of dy by dt and dx by dt. So that's why. So represent dy by dx as a ratio of dy by dt upon dx by dt. So now do the substitution. Dy by dt value here. How much is 4at cube? 4at cube divided by dx by dt is how much? 4at. 4at. Anyway, this 4 and 4 get cancelled. So t cube by t, which is t square. Which is how much? T square. That is dy by dx, the derivative of the given functions. Derivative of the given functions. Dy by dx is equal to t square, which is the required answer. So take next question, number 3. If x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, this is the first equation, and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. This is what the second parametric equation. And again here also we need to prove that dy by dx is equal to tan of theta by 2. So dy by dx is equal to tan of theta by 2. Again same thing. So what is the parameter here? Theta is the parameter. Theta is what? The parameter. Third variable. Okay, apart from x and y, there is one more variable which is common in both the equations. That is called what? The parameter. So ಈ ಎರಡು equations ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ. ಯಾವುದು? ಥೀಟಾ. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us take that first equation. Let x is equal to a into bracket open theta plus sin theta. This is what first equation. Now differentiating both sides with respect to theta. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So derivative of x with respect to theta is dx by d theta. That is equal to a is a constant. It is understood. A and b are constants. And derivative of theta with respect to theta, like derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. Similarly, derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. Derivative d by d theta of theta is equal to 1. Plus derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta. Derivative of sin theta is what? Cos theta. Simple formula. Derivative of sin theta is what? Cos theta. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, calculate dy by d theta from the second equation. Again, y is equal to what? A into bracket open 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Differentiating both sides with respect to theta. The derivative of y with respect to theta is what? Dy by d theta. That is equal to a as it is. Okay, a is a constant. Keep this as this and take the derivative of 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 1 is 0. Constant. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x 0 ಬರೀ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay. So for example, let me take one question here. Derivative of 2 with respect to x. What is the derivative of 2 with respect to x? So not only x, it's any variable. Derivative of any constant is 0. and d by dx of 2x. What is the derivative of 2x? It have the combination of variable and constant. 2x actually 2x is not a constant. 2x is a variable. Okay, variable ಇಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It is a variable. It is not a constant. Okay, you studied in algebra. It's purely constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. But derivative of 2x. Okay. So in particular, if I take 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, x is a variable. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2x ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ actually? ನಾವು 2 ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. We will write it outside the derivative and take the derivative of function only. 2 as it is dy dx of x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So 2 into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So 2 into 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is what the actual procedure. So same thing here also. A ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು constant. It is an arbitrary constant. A is a constant. And 1 which is purely constant. ಇದು constant ಅದ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವುದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Which is very free ಅದ್ರಿ. Like derivative of 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0. Like derivative of 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0. Okay, a into something, a constant. ಬರೀ a ಇದ್ರೆ derivative of a with respect to x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. a into something ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into 1 minus cos theta. So therefore, we have to keep this constant as it is and take the derivative of 1. Derivative of 1 with respect to x is derivative of 1 with respect to theta, which is 0. Minus derivative of cos theta with respect to theta. Derivative of cos theta is what? Minus sin theta. Minus into minus plus sin theta. So that is equal to 0 plus sin theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin theta ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. A into sin theta is a sin theta. A sin theta. This is number 2. Equation number 2 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. 0 plus sin theta is sin theta. So a into sin theta is a sin theta. So that as equation number 2. So using 1 and 2, equation number 1 and equation 2. Therefore, dy by dx, dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is how much? From second equation using 2, a sin theta, isn't it? So dy by d theta value is a sin theta using equation number 2. And dx by d theta value is how much? A into 1 plus cos theta. So derivative of x with respect to theta, dx by d theta value, a as the derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So anyway, this a will be cancelled. Sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. You prove that ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ dy by dx is equal to tan of theta by 2. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ sin theta by 1 plus cos theta ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Have to convert this expression into tan of theta by 2. For that, look at the angle here. Theta by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ sin 2 theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. You know sin 2 theta value. Sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin theta is nothing but 2 into sin of theta by 2 divided by cos of theta by 2. So let us make use of half angle formula. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to sin theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 into sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2 divided by, again same thing, use half angle formula. In denominator also 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 into cos square theta by 2 into cos square theta by 2. Directly use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So cos theta, sin theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 into cos square theta by 2 using half angle formula. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled and after cos square theta by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a by a square is nothing but what? 1 by a. So like this, 1 cos theta will be cancelled in denominator. So look at, write down the remaining terms. Sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, sin by cos, so tan, is tan theta by 2. So after cancellation, write down the remaining terms both in numerator and denominator. In numerator, we have left with only one term, sin of theta by 2, and in denominator, cos of theta by 2. Sin by cos, that is nothing but tan theta by 2, which is the required proof.